Hey guys, this is Janice, and I'm one of the instructors at Coding Butterfly. I'm here to tell you about Roblox, one of the fastest growing game platforms. Since 2005, Roblox has been around for PCs, but with the emergence of smartphone, tablet, and Xbox versions, it's led to a total Roblox renaissance. Now, Roblox has over 56 million monthly active players. Crazy. What makes Roblox so popular and addictive for kids? Well, for one, Roblox is a free-to-play game platform that allows users to build a Lego-like aesthetic world to share with the community, and thus the variety of games available on Roblox is constantly growing. Some of the most popular games include natural disaster survival, which is one of my favorite games, where players try to escape the natural disasters designed to destroy them. There's also Jailbreak, a multiplayer game, where players are divided into teams of policemen and criminals. Every single game and experience available on Roblox has been created by other players. To create a game on Roblox, players use Roblox Studio, which is a software that allows players to turn their imagination into a reality. Not only are they designing the game using the tools available in the studio, they're also using a scripting language called Lua. And Lua allows them to add functionality to all the components in their game. These young developers can then publish and share their world with the rest of the Roblox community, which is what you and I are going to do in the next video.